your chair, still turned to the door. Your name on my tongue like a cracked prayer, and left you gone, and left you gone, and left you here. I breathe it in. You're gone, you're here. You're gone, you're here. I hear you in the walls, in the wire, in the crawl space. Every empty frame pulls your shadow from the cold place. I hear you when I breathe, when I sleep, when I start to fall. I lost you in this house. Now the house wears your voice in the dark. You stretched She did this. Did you push me? We were happy. It was raining. You were dry.